Subscribe to receive daily videos on natural solutions and cures.
Did you know hydrogen peroxide has more uses than you think? It's not just a staple in your first aid kit for minor cuts and scratches. This common household item, often overlooked, boasts far-reaching applications that might surprise you. From health and beauty to home and garden, hydrogen peroxide proves itself a versatile ally. In today's video, we'll delve into 10 lesser-known, yet impressive uses of this humble chemical. So, are you ready to uncover the hidden benefits of hydrogen peroxide? Starting with number 10, hydrogen peroxide can be a teeth-whitening hero. You see, its oxidizing properties can break down the discoloration on your teeth. But remember, balance is key. Mix equal parts of hydrogen peroxide and water, swish it around in your mouth for about a minute, then spit it out. Be sure to rinse thoroughly with plain water afterward. But caution, overuse can damage your enamel. So use it sparingly, perhaps once a week. Who knew achieving a pearly white smile could be this easy? Coming in at number 9, hydrogen peroxide can give your plants a boost. Yes, you heard it right. This common household item can be your secret weapon for a thriving garden. Hydrogen peroxide helps in aerating the soil, assisting roots to absorb nutrients better. It also acts as a form of protection, fending off root rot and pests. It's like a vitamin shot for your plants, promoting healthier, faster growth. So, next time your plants look a little down, you know what to do. At number 8, we've got hydrogen peroxide as a cleaning champ. This humble solution is a powerhouse when it comes to tidying up around the house. Its oxidative properties make it perfect for tackling grime and grease on your kitchen counters. And let's not forget the bathroom. Hydrogen peroxide shows no mercy to soap scum and mildew. Dilute it with water, spray it on, let it sit, then wipe it off. It's that simple. So, say goodbye to those stubborn stains. At number 7, we've got hydrogen peroxide as a wound disinfectant. This unassuming household chemical is a potent antiseptic, making it a trusted ally in the battle against germs. When applied to a wound, hydrogen peroxide releases oxygen, killing bacteria and helping to prevent infection. It's like a mini army of germ fighters, right in your medicine cabinet. But caution is key, as overuse can damage healthy cells. Just remember, a little goes a long way. Now, let's dive into the final 5 uses of hydrogen peroxide in a rapid-fire round. Coming up at number 6, we have earwax removal. Yes, you heard it right. Hydrogen peroxide can be a handy tool in your ear care routine. It can soften and remove excess earwax, making your ears feel cleaner and clearer. Just remember, don't go overboard and always follow safe practices when cleaning your ears. On to number 5, let's talk about foot fungus. It's a common issue that many people deal with. But did you know hydrogen peroxide can help? This versatile substance can kill the fungus causing athlete's foot, providing you with much-needed relief. Just apply it to the affected area and watch the magic happen. At number 4, we have laundry whitener. Adding hydrogen peroxide to your laundry can help remove stubborn stains and even whiten your clothes. It's like a secret weapon for your laundry routine. Next time you do your laundry, try adding a bit of hydrogen peroxide and see the difference for yourself. Moving on to number 3, hydrogen peroxide can be used as a mouthwash. It's a fantastic way to kill bacteria and freshen your breath. Just remember to dilute it with water before swishing it around your mouth. It's not only cost-effective, but also a great way to maintain oral hygiene. Next up at number 2, we have skin cleanser. Hydrogen peroxide can kill bacteria on the skin, helping to prevent acne and other skin issues. It's like having a mini facial treatment at home. But remember, it can be a bit drying, so always moisturize after using it on your skin. And finally, at number 1, we have vegetable rinse. Hydrogen peroxide can clean and disinfect your vegetables, ensuring they're safe to eat. Next time you bring home fresh produce, try rinsing them with a bit of diluted hydrogen peroxide. And there you have it, the top 5 uses of hydrogen peroxide. So, who thought hydrogen peroxide could be so versatile? From whitening teeth to fertilizing plants, acting as a cleaning agent to disinfecting wounds, and even the rapid-fire round of uses we just zipped through, it's clear that this common household item packs a punch. It's not just a first aid staple, but a multi-purpose powerhouse. Remember, while hydrogen peroxide is incredibly useful, it's also powerful. So handle with care. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos on natural solutions and cures.